In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Safe Finder manually from Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. If your browser has started using Safe Finder as the default search engine, don't worry. This is something you can usually fix in just a few moments by checking your browser settings and removing it manually. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the general process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. Let's begin with the browser menu. First, open your browser and click the three dots in the top right corner. This menu gives you access to the main settings and tools, and it's where most browser changes begin. Once the menu opens, click Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage how your browser behaves, including privacy options, startup preferences, and most importantly, for this case, your search settings. Inside Settings, look for the Search Engine section and click on it. This area controls which search provider your browser uses when you type into the address bar or search box. If Safe Finder has been added without your permission, there's a good chance it will appear here. Next, click Manage Search Engines. This page usually shows a list of all search engines currently saved in the browser, including the default one and any extra entries that may have been added over time. Take a careful look through the list and locate Safe Finder if you see it there. Once you find Safe Finder, click the three dots next to it. A small menu should appear with available actions for that search engine entry. From that menu, click Delete to remove it. This should take Safe Finder out of the list and stop it from being used as an active search option. After deleting it, it's a good idea to double-check that your preferred search engine is still selected as the default. If needed, you can return to the search settings and choose the one you trust and normally use. The same idea applies across Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox, even if the wording or layout looks a little different, depending on the browser version. The important part is to open the browser menu, go into Settings, find the Search Engines section, open Manage Search Engines, and delete Safe Finder if it appears. If the browser continues to redirect searches after this, you may need to review your extensions or reset your browser settings separately. But for manual removal from the search engine list, this is the process you'll follow.